tiny little hands with many fingers, ready to revolve with the righteous steps. The moves taught by parents, with some dreams in eyes, with some vision to achieve, with some curiosity to explore, and with some gestures to express. The depleted legs may stumble. The delicate hands may fumble. Sometimes the path may deviate, while the learning may also be obtuse. But I am sure I'll be at ease in your energetic hands. I will flourish under your affinity. You will always be my teacher or a guide. Be it spiritually or morally. Be it my tantrums or my naive behavior. Be it narrating me a story or singing me a lullaby. My playmate or a trainer. My all-time cool but bit strict buddies. As I am aware that nobody on this earth can ever love me more than my parents.